Hello everyone, I'm Karan Dua. I'm the product marketing lead at Oppo India. Today we are very excited to launch the Reno 10 series with all of you. Reno 10 series will feature three variants. It will have a Reno 10, Reno 10 Pro, and Reno 10 Pro Plus. I'll talk a little bit about Reno 10 today. Reno 10 will feature the industry first 32 megapixel telephoto camera. With this you can take professional level portraits with your smartphone anywhere and everywhere. It also features a 64 megapixel main camera and a 112-degree wide-angle camera. Now, this is the first time in Reno series that we will also introduce a 5000 mAh battery in Reno 10. It will be powered with a 67-watt SuperBook flash charge as well, which allows you to charge your phone to 100% in just 47 minutes. In terms of the performance, it also features, it is backed by 7050 MediaTek Dimensity chipset, which gives you the optimum performance for your day-to-day use or for your video viewing or your gaming purposes. And apart from that, it also features a plethora of other features like dynamic computing engine and consumer delight features like auto pixelate and other features as well. Now this entire package comes to you at a very attractive price of 32,999. Reno 10 series will be available on online channels like Flipkart, as well as on all Oppo offline stores as well. And we also have some very attractive offers, so you can go out and check out these products at any nearest store which is near to your home. The Oppo Reno 10 Pro, which will be priced at 39,999, and Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus will be priced at 54,999. So these phones will be available on online channels like Flipkart and on Oppo offline stores as well. All right, thank you so much.